Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is December the 22nd, 2020. As you all can see on the screen, we are going to give you all the price prediction update for Zilliqa paired against Tether. Now, before I do, if this is your first time watching our video, we definitely want to remind you all that we are one of the only locations that's giving you all a heads up as to where price is likely to go so that we all can get in position. So if you guys appreciate that, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. I also want to tell you about a new service membership that we are about to embark upon beginning in 2021, January. We're going to give you all the opportunity to converse and actually participate in our predictions with us while we go live. We want to give everyone an opportunity to learn how to predict and see the market from a different viewpoint, and then also chat, give us your ideas as to what a particular instrument is going to do so that you can also learn from what we understand the trap is going to do. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure that you pay attention to the information that we are going to release going into 2021 of January so that we all can get prepared and learn as much as possible from one another. All right. So Zilliqa. Now, the last time we did a video in Zilliqa was on December the 6th, and we played a weakness into the market in Zilliqa. Now, I'm going to zoom in on this chart, and I want to show you that the market in Zilliqa did go lower. So on December the 6th, we told you that we really wasn't seeing that much weakness, but we played the weakness because that was the sentiment of the trap during that particular time. Now, as you all can see, that Zilliqa made all-time highs over the last 3 trading days, which is fantastic. I mean, the market came and almost climaxed to around 6 cents. Very positive to see that play out in Zilliqa. So let's take a look at this overall profit from December the 6th. We got that TP into the market in Zilliqa 2 days into our forecast on December the 8th. So very good. 8.44% in the market from that forecast. Congratulations to those who was able to capitalize on that. At the very bottom on December the 9th, about 16%. Okay, so now we got rid of that. I want to zoom out and see a look at the market in Zilliqa overall, because you can see that we really went crazy in the sense of how high the market in Zilliqa went over the last couple of weeks to days, right? This market in Zilliqa is in a very massive uptrend. Okay, so one thing I'm going to do is, this is the trend right here. This is the overall trend into the market in Zilliqa, and I wanted to show you how strong this market is trending to the upside. Just give us a visual depiction as to what this particular cryptocurrency is doing at the moment. You can see that we are massively in a very strong uptrend into the market in Zilliqa. And I'll be the first one to tell you that this trend, this ascending line, it cannot be maintained forever. The expectation of this being maintained forever does not need to be there. And over the last 3 days, we've seen the market sell. The market has been in a bout of selling the last couple of 3 days, and even today's trading, the market in Zilliqa is still going through some selling. But one of the positive things that we're seeing so far on this particular video is that the trap, he is absorbing the market in Zilliqa of those who are trying to sell and get out. Kind of lets us know that he's looking for this particular cryptocurrency to maintain the ability to go higher. But how high? Because you guys can see it up here on the last 3 days that the market topped out around 5.5 cents. That is restriction. Okay, so let's see how far away we are from this current trend that the market in Zilliqa is in. Okay, so it's about 18.31% away. Now it's about 12% right there around 0.044, which the market closed and opened on the 18th and the 19th of December. Okay, now let's look at this particular market in Zilliqa on the 3-day time frame. You guys can see we have 11 more hours left, and we're seeing about the same amount of volume on the current 3-day price bar versus the last completed one. but the spread is a lot smaller. So that lets us know that we're definitely seeing some profit taking going on into the market in Zilliqa around 5.5 cents. This is what is going on right now. So would you come in and buy the market when you understand that the trap is taking profits? We cannot do opposite of what he's doing. We need to follow precisely what he's doing in order to accumulate more profits out the market. So right now, he's selling this market. Okay. Now on the weekly time frame in Zilliqa, we have about 5 days, 12 hours left, but we're still seeing instances that this market is being sold around 5.5 cents. So if you don't get anything out of this video today, understand that this market in Zilliqa is going through a selling phase, period. So I think you get an idea of what our forecast is going to be into the market in Zilliqa. Or do you? So what we're going to do on this particular forecast is we're going to play the strength into the market in Zilliqa. We're going to continually expect this market in Zilliqa to try to make higher price. It's going to try to come up there to that 5.5 cent area again. And that once again is where we will be expecting sellers to appear. So let us go ahead and put this forecast in for the moment, because when you look at it on an hourly time frame, I mean, this market in Zilliqa, it's just really trading within a range, and that's what we're going to play on this forecast in Zilliqa. All right, so let's do this real quick. Let's go ahead and put this forecast in. I'm gonna let you all go. So we are going to play the market movement higher in Zilliqa. I'm going to get rid of this line here because we're not here about the confusion. Just want to make sure that our chart stayed clean, because the cleaner the chart, the better you're able to understand what the market is going through. All right. So this is it. We're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Zilliqa. Now, TP, let's take a look at this on a 4-hour chart. TP would be around 0.052. I could see it going to 5.5 again, around that vicinity. But first, we need to see the trap break this 0.052 in the market. Now, this is going on relatively quick now. So if you watched this video late, you missed it probably. But overall, we're still playing the strength into the market in Zilliqa. It looks healthy still, even with a bout of selling that came through the last 3 days. So that's why we're going to play the strength continual into the market in Zilliqa. 0.052 is our first area of TP, which is around almost 4%. But then I'm going to extend it up there towards 5.5 cents, which will be about 10% profitability right there. So we're in position. This is our expectations right here. What do you see? Do you still see the same thing that we're seeing, or you might see something totally different? If so, leave us a comment in the comment section. Give us your TP price. TP simply means what would you take profit? And we'll come back in at a later date and check up on the performance of the trap. That's it. So make sure you maintain the profitability. Go and trade different.